Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Twilio Verify settings and services, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Twilio Verify settings, navigate to the dashboard where your services are displayed. Locate the Verify section in the left sidebar of the console. Click on the Verify option to access your Verify services. Identify the specific Verify service you wish to uninstall. Once you have selected the service, click on it to open the service details. Within the service details, look for the Settings tab at the top of the page. Click on the Settings tab to view the configuration options for your selected service. Scroll down to find the Delete button, usually located at the bottom of the Settings area. Click the Delete button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Review the information provided and confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. After confirming, Twilio will proceed to uninstall the Verify service. Wait for a few moments while the service is successfully removed from your account. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the service has been deleted. To ensure all related settings are cleaned up, go back to the main dashboard. Check for any remaining settings or configurations related to the Verify service. If any remnants exist, navigate to those sections to delete or modify them as necessary. Finally, log out of your Twilio console to complete the process securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.